Hi there, this is the week 8 video overview. The goals for this week is to finish chapter 4 on exponential and log functions. Those are two of the top 12 functions that we study in pre-calculus and all the STEM classes. And reminders just for each one of these main functions, we have the same 5 goals. We want to be able to write an equation given a description or data for that type of function. We need to be able to simplify that type of function. We need to be able to solve that type of equation. And we need to be able to graph. We need to know what the basic function graph looks like, and then how to use transformations to move them around and flip them and things like that. And finally, we need to be able to solve application problems that involve that function type. So that's the goal for exponential and logs, to be able to do all 5 of those things by the end of chapter 4, by the end of this week. Some things to keep in mind. Please remember there are special rules for simplifying each type of function, so know those rules. There are strategies for solving each type of function, so remember to write down or at least know the strategies for solving each type of function. And you might want to memorize or at least keep a reference sheet of the basic function graphs. And I do have these available on Canvas, so I'm displaying hopefully the home page. And if you go to formula sheets, handouts, etc., which is this link here towards the top of the home page, it'll take you to various reference sheets that I've created. One of them is functions and their graphs, and that looks like this, where it has the basic graphs. I actually made graphs of versions of these, not the basic graph, just to show you what the transformations look like as well. But I can also, if you want, show just the basic graph without any of the transformations attached to it. And then there's exponent and log formulas. That's the simplifying formula sheet for exponents and logs. And that looks like this, where there's a bunch of formulas for simplifying these guys. So anyway, so keep those in mind, that there are, sort of reference sheets available on Canvas. Some reminders: I'm available Monday through Thursday during my regular tutoring hours. So come on by and we can do some math together, and I can remind you the strategies for solving different types of equations or whatever else you need help with. There's about 2 weeks left this week and next week until spring break. This is the time when people start getting a little bit exhausted, a little overwhelmed, and there's definitely more of a possibility to procrastinate. So just a reminder, try to power through this and next week, just 2 more weeks, and then you get a nice guilt, stress-free break, because you don't have to worry about having to catch up and things like that. All right, so good luck this week, and reach out whenever you need help on anything. Okay, thanks.